Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I am outside my messy garage. I'm going to show you another project. This is a 78 Mustang II original survivor car. I have to get on the other side so you can see it better because of the sun. Paint's all faded. Does have some surface rust where the paint has been baked off by the sun, but it's in great shape. It's not a smashed up piece of junk. Does have a bad rear bumper, kind of a little bent up wowie there. But this is going to be a future project after I get down to Monarch. What I'm going to try to do is something that seems popular on the internet is a Comet wash, and then I'm going to use a wipe-on clear coat. The Comet wash is Comet dish cleansing powder. You take one of those yellow dish sponges that has the green on one side and the sponge on the other. The green is like a rubbery Scotch-Brite type thing. Take that in a Comet cleanser and you scrub the living hell out of it. Rinse it off good, then you wash it with Dawn dish soap, and then use a wax and grease remover, and then Poppy's Patina wipe-on clear coat. It's a two-part clear that you actually wipe on with an applicator pad. There's all kinds of YouTube videos and other videos on the internet for you to watch. I think that's going to be a fine alternative for this car. It's going to seal in the faded parts and the rust. Of course, some of this rust will come out with the scrub. I may even do the CLR or Evapo rust and scrub that to get more of the rust out, to get it to look more like a patina, and then seal it in with the clear coat. So stay tuned for this project in the future. This only has, let me get the key, turn the key off here. This has got one of those, deals where you got to push the button on the side of the column, get the key out. And I couldn't do that one-handed. 91,000 original miles, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and the air conditioner works. Yes. It's a 2.8 liter V6 automatic. Car is in good shape, just surface rust and one minor hole down here. Whoops, am I even pointing to it? I can't see my screen of the phone in the sun, so. Seats do have some rips in them. I believe that they still make the fabric covers for them. If they do, I know a guy that can put them on. He did it on my 66, did a wonderful job. But the car is in great shape. It's a solid car. Doesn't rattle or squeak when you drive it. Big problem it's having, heater core. Heater core is leaking, which means it's a pain in the butt to fix. Since it's an air conditioning car, that heater box that's behind the instrument panel there, or dash, or whatever you want to call it, is a big unit. And you got to take a lot of this out to get to it. And then once you take the box out, it's going to be probably a winter project if I do it. But the other issue that it has is it needs a carburetor rebuild. You pop the hood, it's a real dirty, oily mess under there. It's original survivor car. Yeah, let's see, I'm gonna have to set you guys down. How about if I plop you down? Yeah, I can't see the phone. I don't know what you're seeing. Hang on, I'll pick you up in a second. Or 5 seconds. All right. Has a 2-barrel Autolite Motorcraft style carburetor. But I mean, look, all the vacuum lines and everything is still here. It has an air pump on it still, but there's hoses and vacuum lines everywhere. Just the way it was in 1978. Rear mounted distributor. Seems weird on a Ford, but I understand it's a German engine, 2.8 liter. But that old air conditioner still works good. The guy had it recharged. Before I bought it, he had the radiator cord, put new hoses on it, new belts, and a new water pump. Because the old one, he said the bearing was wore out, the fan was wobbling. And runs and dries good. I will be adjusting the valve lash, the mechanical type lifter cam. And, well, just stay tuned. So thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. And in the future, you'll see more videos on that. Bye.